how to get clown pin in Brawl Stars. Now for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and close this one right here, and then we're going to open YouTube. Now here on YouTube, we're just going to go ahead and look for Brawl Stars. So we're going to go to their official channel. So I'm just going to open it, and then I'm going to hit the videos, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go ahead and look for one particular video, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this one in order to open it, and then I'm also going to go ahead and click this one right here in order for us to open the link. So down here below, we're going to go ahead and look for something. Alright, there you go. It says claim your free pin to get into the hype of the update. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and then we shall be redirected here. Now I'm going to accept all the cookies down below if it pops up. Go ahead and do the same thing, and here I'm going to click where it says claim reward. After doing so, you should be redirected to your Brawl Stars. Alright, there you go. There is an option here. It says claim your reward. I'm going to go ahead and click the claim button, and then there you go. You can go ahead and click that one there at the top and open the inbox, and you have here the pin. So I'm going to click claim. Alright, there you go. Now you have successfully got your own clown pin here in Brawl Stars.